Marjorie.
Go now.
Hi.
You got it.
And here. Put on the grass. Oops.
Hey, Drew.
Here you go.
Drew, can you say hi? Okay. Say go. Go. Say go.
Good job. Almost.
So he gets a what? Have you technically learned how to ride your bike? Oh, is that what you said?
I thought he'd have to know how to ride his bike, make it all the way around. I didn't realize he could do it quite this way.
Punchy, you know how to work the system. Good job.
Okay, first, get back on the road. Get back on the road if you can.
There you go. Pedal. You got it. Go. Woo!
Come on. Push.
Do it. Go. Whoa! Good job.